Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Marshflower Studio. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the reveal to the tissue paper covered pages I made in the last video. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you can kind of keep up with the progress and hopefully work along with me. So just to kind of touch base on what happened here, I took some of the art tissue that I have, and this is not like regular tissue paper. Once you wet it, the dye in it will bleed onto whatever surface you have. It doesn't do it on every surface, but definitely on paper. It'll also go on your skin, on clothes, so make sure you're a little careful when you're using it. You can find this in some craft stores. I order it from one of the art supply companies. If you're checking your local arts and crafts store, your gift wrapping row, check and see if it says that it's bleeding art tissue. And if it says that, then it will do this trick. So you lay it down, whatever you want to color, you just wet it a little bit, enough to kind of stick it down to the page. This is all dry, so I'm going to pull this off now and kind of show you guys what it looks like. And these pieces that come off will be kind of dyed as well. And I usually save these and use them in other projects or on other pages. So I'm going to set these to the side. If you don't plan on using them again, you can just toss them. Lovely. So I can still see my words really nicely. And I've got this great kind of color going on here. Pull these off of this other side. Now this side, I did a little bit faster, and I definitely didn't get some of the pieces as wet as I probably should have. Ooh, that one's a really pretty piece. So this is kind of what will happen if your pieces are not wet enough. And then you kind of leave it to just do whatever it's going to do. But it still creates a really cool kind of texture effect there, and you still have some really nice places where the colors kind of blend together. So I'm happy with how this turned out overall. And while I was gone, I found this beautiful butterfly. And I think it's gonna get glued in over here. Ooh. Oh, right there. That's a good spot for it. And then I always like to add a little bit of something to the page that is a little bit more personal. You know, the whole thing is the whole art journaling idea, creative journaling idea, is to help kind of process and get things out of your head so you can focus on what's really important. So I will always try to find a little space. Doesn't have to be a big space, and it doesn't have to be a lot. It can be a sentence or two. So I think on this one, I'm probably going to use this space right here to kind of write down my thoughts about what this page means to me, why I made it. You know, everybody's usually got something big going on in their life, some change that they're struggling to deal with or work through. And that's kind of what I use my journals for, processing some of those feelings and emotions that are just kind of hard to get out. And everyone's journey is different, so trying to find someone that has been in your shoes before can be difficult sometimes. So this way, it gives me a chance to just kind of tell somebody and organize my thoughts a little bit better. And that's why I do this. So I'm happy with how my page is right now. I'll work on what I plan to write over here, and it doesn't have to be something super elegant and scripted. It's just going to be a couple sentences about what this page means to me. So I hope you enjoyed the unveiling of this art tissue page. I'm really happy with how it looks right now. I may add some more designs kind of down here on this bottom side after I've written what I plan to write up here. But overall, very happy with it. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you can check up on future pages and get some more ideas for your own journaling. Thanks.